A new video shared on social media this past week showed the moment the Armenian forces shot down an Azerbaijani military chopper over the Karabakh region. In the short video, an Azerbaijani Mi-17 helicopter can be seen flying over an undisclosed part of the Karabakh region on an unknown date during the month-long conflict, before it was hit by the Armenian air defenses. Towards the end of the video, the Azerbaijani Mi-17 chopper's pilot can be seen ejecting from the helicopter, with the nose of the aircraft heading towards the ground. As pointed out above, the date of the video is unknown. However, given the fact that most of the hostilities in Karabakh took place between September 27 and November 9, it is likely that the date fell somewhere between the time frame. The Karabakh conflict reached its conclusion on November 9 after Azerbaijani President Ilham Aliyev and Armenian Prime Minister Nikol Pashinyan reached a peace agreement in Moscow. The peace deal was mediated by Russian President Vladimir Putin after a Russian aircraft was accidentally shot down inside Armenian territory by Azerbaijan. Azerbaijan has since apologized for shooting down the Russian aircraft and offered to pay compensation for the loss.